So if you look at the CP, CV, somebody was asking, no, it's like a symbol, what we write, NFR T by 2. Yeah, let's suppose molar specific heat at constant volume ideal gas according to the law CV equal to A plus BT, where T is absolute temperature of gas. Calculate equation of adiabatic process. This will be very troublesome because CV, what we said, molar capacity of gas at constant volume. Even the CV can vary with the temperature. CV can vary with pressure. CV can vary with volume. So I don't think so. Just don't stick on to the basic definition. You might have studied in chemistry in that way, but come out of that. He's asking adiabatic process. The gas will undergo adiabatic process, and how pressure, volume, temperature are related, where the CV of a gas will vary with the temperature. CP, CV are not constant. Over a range, they will vary. They can vary with the temperature, pressure, volume. Over a range, we are assuming them to be constant. Specific heat will never be a fixed value. It can vary also. Over a range of parameters, we assume it to be constant. Okay, now it's saying it's adiabatic process. So in adiabatic process, what is dq? 0. And we know dw equal to minus du. Let me start with dw in any process pdv. This will be minus cv dt. What is cv? A plus bt. So p equal to, this will be r. 1 mole I'm choosing so that it will be easy. cv is what you can write it as a plus bt, then dt. Okay, let me simplify this. This will be r t dv by v minus a dt bt dt. Keep it like this here. So dv by v okay, dv by v. So here r will be there minus, let me keep r here only. So here this will be dt by dt plus b dt. Let me integrate this. R dv by v minus a dt by dt plus b dt. Limits will be the volumes v1, v2, t1, t2. This will become r log of v2 by v1 minus a log of t2 by t1 plus b t2 minus t1. Negative sign should go for this also, no? Let me simplify this. So this will become log of v1 by r, and this will be log of t2 by t1 by t2 Negative sign, let me adjust there. T1 by T2, this is A plus, this will be, I have to bring log, log of e to power of minus b t2 minus t1. Okay, no harm. Log and exponential as it is. This is the equation. Okay, this will become v2 by v1 to the power of r log equal to log a plus log b. So this will become t1 by t2 eliminating log on both sides. So v2 by v1 r is equal to t1 by let me bring all the terms on one side. V2R T2A e to power of BT2 and this will be V1R T1A e to power of BT1. So generalized equation will be VR TA e to power of BT equal to constant. This is also an adiabatic process. This is something very, 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 very important. Adiabatic process means not only this one. There are like that infinite n number of adiabatic processes are there, which is very, very, very important for engineer. See, every time not possible for an engineer to maintain, to have relation PV to power of gamma. There are like that n types of adiabatic processes. N types, I'm not telling, I'm saying n types. It's an adiabatic process. Even this is also adiabatic process. So now we know this one, TV. This is also a diabetic process. These are also a diabetic process. Adiabatic process means P V to power of gamma equal to constant. It's a must, need not. It's not a necessary condition. What is adiabatic process? No heat exchange. There is adiabatic process. Even adiabatic process, it can happen. So now these two are different here. Like that, what happen? Even adiabatic process will get n types. Are you able to understand? I'm trying to stress some very important here. In books, what we discussed is this one only. Okay, these two are both are same process. What we think adiabatic process means P V to power of gamma. It's not a must. The pressure and volume should be related like this only. Need not. They'll be related like this also. Like that, what shall I say? There are n types of adiabatic process are there, not one. N types. Isobaric, it's so unique. I think your language, English language, should be very good here. Isobaric, isochoric, and isothermal are unique. Unique means okay, finish over. That's the condition. Adiabatic process, there are n types are there. This is one adiabatic process. This is another adiabatic process. I'll write another adiabatic process. What is adiabatic process? This is not a necessary condition. Necessary condition is this one. So this is the idea. This is the necessary condition. Able to understand? These are not necessary condition. This is a condition one. Just it's like there's a condition too. Like that, there are n conditions can come. So therefore, what is the necessary condition? This is dq equal to 0 is a necessary condition. Are you able to understand this? See, this is some very core uh, ideas, that one. Huh? So therefore, in adiabatic process, PV to power of gamma equal to constant is a must, need not. It can the pressure, volume, temperature, they can vary some other way like this. Here what I brought, CV as a function of temperature. This CV as a function of volume, I'll give it. Try to work out here the same thing. You have to practice that one. I'll give next question. Try to work out this.